Displate tutorial to make money with print on demand online. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you about Displate and how you can use it to make money online. So without wasting any more of your time, let's just jump into the video. So this is the website right here. Over here, as you can see, this is how it looks like. Now for those of you who don't know what a Displate is, it's basically a website where you can get your posters and you can order them online, and they ship it to you anywhere, and they ship it directly to your doorstep anywhere in the world. What makes these special is that these posters right here, they aren't like normal paper posters. They're like a metal sheet. Let me just show you over here. If I click on this poster right here, over here on this image, as you can see over here, this is the main poster right here. It's made out of a metal sheet, and this is the magnet mounting system, and it is used, and this is how it's used to stay in place. Now it's very easy, it's very subtle, and it doesn't leave any messes on the wall, and you can easily change the posters however you want it. For example, if you just bought this posters, then you can have like other posters as well, and then you can put those posters on it. All you have to do is just take off the sheet and replace it. It's pretty simple. If you are wondering how do you become a creator, well, it's pretty simple. Now it's simple, but it's not that easy. What you need to do is you need to scroll down to the very bottom, and over here you will see earn with Displate, and underneath that you will see open Displate shop, right? So once you click on it, it'll take you over to this part of the website where you just have to submit your portfolio. Now it can be anything. It can be your website, it can be your Instagram, or email, or you have it saved offline and you can just submit it via email, and you can share all of your file. Now then what they will do is they will take a look at your portfolio. They will judge if you have what it takes, if you are that talented, because Displate is a pretty professional level of printing on demand type of website where not just anyone can create anything and they think they can make money. You have to have a little bit of talent, and you can go ahead and submit your portfolio over here. Now how it basically works is that you will earn 50% commission on total sales value by sharing links to your artwork on social media. Now what you have to do is just simply create a design and submit that design to Displate, and they will take care of everything. They will take care of the manufacturing, they will take care of the shipping, delivering. They'll take care of everything. All you have to do is just simply submit the design. Now what that basically means is that if you are a creator on Displate, and if you want to create and if you want to buy other displays as well, then you can go ahead and buy them for 50% less whenever you need them for. And it's pretty amazing. They will even promote your design as well. You don't even have to worry about that. And over here, why is it worth to open a shop on Displate? Well, as you can see over here, over $7 million have been paid in commission to artists already, and the highest artist payout in the last 12 months is almost $50,000. So that means that if you are a pretty good artist, and your sales are pretty high, then you can easily earn up to this much in like a month. And the all-time commission paid to this person right here, as you can see, it's over $650,000, which is pretty insane. This was in May 2020, so 2 years ago. But as you can see, this number is very, very hard to beat. And over here they have all the other stats as well. So it's pretty simple, it's really easy. This is how it's gonna reach to your door if you buy it. It's pretty simple, minimalistic, and really, really easy. And these are some of the top creators on Displate as well. So as you can see over here, this person has created over 339 displays, and this person has created almost 89 displays. So these are pretty cool as well. And also, as you can see, they are also planting trees as well. So if you like every time with every display you sell, they can plant a tree. And over here, as you can see, over 16 million trees have been planted. So if you want to help out the environment, that's also a pretty good deal. So as you can see, just simply click on submit your portfolio over here, and it'll open up this tab where you can like email them as well. So let's go ahead and open that up, and over here you can just go ahead and sign into your email account, and then just simply send them your portfolio, which is pretty simple. And that's basically it. That's how you open a shop on Displate. It's really simple, it's really easy. Now if you are want to try your luck and you want to check if you can create something, well, you can create anything you want, really. Couple of different websites that I would recommend. One of them is called canva.com. As you can see, this is how this website looks like, and you can go ahead and create anything you want. And the other website that I have for you guys is called pixelart.com, and over here you can create your very own pixel arts, and then you can turn these pixel arts into displays and that you can sell online. And if they like your images, your portfolio, then you set to go. You don't even have to worry about that. Then all you have to do is just simply create new designs and sell them online. Now, on Canva, it's pretty simple as well. Like, the tools are really easy to create. All you got to do is just simply, click on create a design, and over here you have all these different options. Over here you have desktop wallpapers and stuff like that, and you also have templates as well. So you can go ahead and choose one of these templates to which you can choose from and create your own design. In my opinion, Canva is pretty simple, but if you want to have a little bit of artsy look, then I would suggest that pixel art is the go-to. It's really simple. You can even use Photoshop if you want, if you have the skills and tool sets necessary for that. It's not like you have to follow everything I do in this video, but this is for beginners. If they want to try something new, if they want to create something fun, and if they can earn some money along the way, then why not? You can go ahead and do that by these two websites. Like, the tools are pretty simple. Photoshop as well, but these ones are more simple in my opinion. Now, how do you basically create them? So over here, let me just show you how simple it is. So if you come over here onto Canva, right, and you want to create, like, let's say a poster over here, as you can see, this one. So if I click on post, this is how it's gonna look like, and over here we can pretty much do anything. So if I come over here onto templates, over here we have some pre-made templates that we can choose from. So if I click on poster, and I want to something mountain, something to do with that, then we can go ahead and choose these ones as well. So like something like this one right here. So if I choose this one, I think this looks pretty good, but we'll just go ahead and leave out these ones. We'll delete the text and stuff like that. Like, this one looks pretty nice, if in my opinion. We can do other things as well. You can add more stuff to it, maybe like add another text that's much suited for this type of scenery, or you can leave it like that and create different scenery types or mountain types, posters that people would definitely love. Then all you have to do is just simply download them. Or if you already have your own design, all you got to do is come over here onto the upload section over here, click on upload media, and then just simply choose your own. All you got to do is come over to here onto the upload section, click on upload media, and then choose whichever image you want. So I'm going to go ahead and choose this image right here, this little turtle right here, and just simply go ahead and upload that. And once it's uploaded, we'll just go ahead and click on it, and you can go ahead and add a turtle over here onto your background, which is pretty simple. I really like it. And you can go ahead and do whatever you want. Now, you don't have, now I know this looks pretty weird, but I'm just this is just for a tutorial. I'm just showing you how it basically looks like. And then you can go ahead and choose whichever one you want. You can create characters like this and edit them out, or add a different background, or add a text, and then just simply upload them over onto your display shop or onto your portfolio, and then just simply submit them. Like, as you can see, some of these displays are pretty amazing. Like, let me just show you some that are really cool. Like this one right here, as I said before, I think I saw something similar over onto Canva over here when I was trying to find something. So if I click on search for mountains, I think it was over here at the top, like something like this, where we can go ahead and delete this, and we have this cool little image that looks pretty similar to this one. Now, granted, this one was created by someone with really high level of artistic skills, but you get the point, right? Like, it's pretty simple, and it's really easy to use the Canva and pixel art as well. Like, pixel art, I've used it in the past, and over here you have to basically draw it. But I think if you have a little bit of more skills in the drawing section over here, then you can go ahead and use that. But if you don't, then I guess you can try your luck with Canva, and if you succeed, you can go ahead and upload your design onto Displate. And I was going to show you some of the other cool ones, but over here, let me just show you a couple of, like this one right here. Like, I really like this one. Pretty amazing and really detailed. So we have this person over here, like a knight or something, and he's going over here to slay these monsters or find some answers. I think this one's already dead. We have one over here, and we have a couple of small ones over there. As you can see, it's pretty detailed as well. Like, I really enjoy this one. So as you can see, the competition on Displate is really fierce, and you have to be really good at your craft too if you want to make it over here onto Displate. So having said that, that's how you basically get onto Displate and how you can sell your print on demand products onto Displate and start earning money. All I have to say is good luck to you if you are going to, choose Displate to earn money. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notifications. And having said that, I'll catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.